Hello everyone. Today I'm trading with my bot, as usual on Pocket Option. I'll leave the project link in the description. Also make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description as well. There you can try trading with my bot. Alright, let's get into trading. I've chosen a currency pair. Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. Let's find that pair and set the expiration time to 1 minute. Now, let's wait for a signal from my bot. We check the currency pair, the signal's time frame, and the explanation of why we should open a trade to go down. Let's give it a try and see the results. Just look at this result. An incredible dump just happened. This is excellent. All right, moving on to the next signal. For that, we need to select the next currency pair. Let's go with the US dollar and Swiss franc. Let's take a look and click to go back, choose the market, and select USD to CHF. Now, once again, we wait for a signal from our bot, and it's suggesting to open a trade to go up. Let's check and watch the result. Unfortunately, the trade broke even. Let's move on to the next signal. For this, we'll pick a percentage that works for us. Let's go with euros to Japanese yen. We go back, choose the market, find our pair, set the expiration time, and open a trade to go down. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, our third trade closed in the green. Let's select the next pair, this time USD to Canadian dollar. We pick the pair, set the expiration time to 1 minute, and wait for our signal. We get a signal to go up, so let's open the trade and watch the result. And yes, our trade closed in profit again. As you can see, the bot is performing really well. It's built on trading algorithms and includes AI, powered by the latest version of ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, leave a comment, and join my Telegram channel to start trading with the bot. Good luck, and see you soon.